And this right here is what we're gonna be changing today. Something simple, real quick. Instead of taking your shit to the shop, man, you can do this shit yourself, man. What's up, YouTube? This your boy Slim Gates coming at you with another video. Today I got my baby. I'm about to work on her. Today topic gonna be about diagnosing a bad pulley. We finna be changing out a pulley in my 2007 Lincoln Town car. And this right here is what we're gonna be changing today. Something simple, real quick. Instead of taking your shit to the shop, man, you can do this shit yourself, man. It's in and out, you hear me? I'm gonna show you the steps of it, and I'm gonna let you know how it sounds with the bad pulley. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can hear that. It's coming from the outer pulley right here. Quiet down. Once I get some gas, start right there. Let's see if I can get y'all some food and how it sounds. That's how she sounds. Put gas on it. A person like me, man, I cannot drive like that. I cannot drive like that. I just cannot. So I'm about to fix this. I'm gonna break it down with y'all. Hopefully I can get the camera to sit up and man, taking it off and everything. Y'all can see the whole process. I'm gonna be back. Out. I'm talking about spin easy. Spin easy with the touch. Easy with the touch. I hope it's zoom in good. So she just spin easy with the touch. The old one, oh, I take the belt off, she just stiff. If I turn it like that, I badly want to move. It's supposed to go with the touch, you know what I mean? Move with the touch. We're finna get to it. All y'all need is this. I don't want to lie to you what size it is, because I don't know. And you're going to need this to go on this boat right here to loosen it up. Let me show you. This right here going to go up in here. Find a little knob, whichever one it fit. See, I'm in there, and you just pull forward. Get this right here. Put this bad boy on here to tighten it up. Unloosen it. You're good to go. You go this way. Take the tension off of it. Can't get no good. Get a good grip. And you loosen her up. Oh man, she broke. Let me see if I got another one. Hey, back at it, I had to find another one. The last one I put on there, she broke on me. Hopefully this one don't. Let's try it again. Matter of fact, let me get me an extension bar. Hold on. You can put me an extension bar on there so I can get me some good leverage then. Ain't gotta be all in the way and shit. You put that tension on her and you just turn. Loosen her up. That's all it is to it. Loosen her up, keep the tension on the belt. Hope I'm getting a good footage of it. Hold on, let me see if I'm getting good footage. Yeah, okay, yeah, y'all can see me. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Please forgive me though, I'm using an iPhone with no stand, nothing to get y'all this footage. So I might got a bad angle, but bear with me, I'm sorry about that. Take your boat out, put that to the side somewhere you can get it real good. Get your new one. I'm talking about this is the easy way, so you won't have to take your belt all off and have to realign your belt. Put your belt back on and all that. Just slide off. It's the old one. And you slide that new one right back in there. Line it up on the belt, put the tension off of it, and you slide it in place. Hold on, make sure I'm putting it on the right side. Okay, yeah, see, I was putting it on the wrong side. You find where she go at, you slide her back on there. I'm sorry I'm making it look harder than what I am, but I'm trying not to knock my camera over so you can see this footage. But matter of fact, I'm just gonna move the belt, take the belt off. Get that tension off of it like that. So, I hope I'm focusing. I got that tension off of it, so I slide it right back over my alternator. Got it back on my alternator. Make sure everything lined up right. Everything lined up to the T. Put my bolt back in. Put your bolt back in before you take the tension off of it. You can be lined up and good. I know y'all probably like, boy, you doing this the wrong way. Bear with me. I'm not a mechanic, but I do know what I'm doing. But sometimes, you know, I do hear a lot like, man, you kind of take the hard route when you do stuff. Yeah, I do. But I also get the job done, though. Also, you know, I'm just turning it up. Nah, you don't need no whole lot of torque on it. Just a little nice little snug. She good to go. Wiggle the bolt off. You let the tension off of her. She on there. Hopefully y'all can see. Brand new pulley on. She got it lined up. She is lined up right. All the way around. Wasn't as bad as it was before I changed the belt, but I just cannot ride with that squeaking. I'm sorry, I just cannot. Well, I'm finna give her a little test. I'm finna show you. Just gotta turn the key switch forward a little bit. I'm gonna crank her up. That's how she sounds. Smooth. And I do know one thing too, though. I am gonna have to change my. It is about time for me to change my compressor. I do know that much though, too. She be kicking in and on by herself at times. And never, but disregard my motor. I know it is filthy. That is something that I don't clean. My motor, I know. I'm sorry. But I will have to change my compressor soon. But my AC and everything work though, but you can kind of hear it. Cut it on and off a little louder than what it should though. But right now she quiet. But yeah, that's a quick little video. Oh, excuse me, I almost fell. But that's a quick little video of how to change an idle pulley on any kind of Ford, pretty much any basic car, really, if it's in the front, which all of them are. Pretty much anything that got a belt, pretty much, with an idle pulley. But yeah, that's how you change it. It's something quick, simple. It didn't even take 5 minutes. I want to say 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, because I was kind of bending it slow, you know what I mean? But yeah, I hope y'all liked the video. Put a thumbs up. Hopefully I can get 20 likes on this video plus more, you know? Give me a like, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content, because I'm throwing content of everything. My car, me fixing it up, me in the process of getting a new car, putting in mods and everything in that one. So this channel finna get exclusive. It finna have a lot of footage on it, you know what I mean? Not gonna be bored footage. We're gonna do giveaways and whatnot, but listen how she just purred. She just sounded good, ain't it? But yeah, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell if you want to know when I drop it at the right time, you know what I mean? So when it drop, bam, you the first one to look at it. You feel me? I really appreciate y'all, you heard me, for looking at the video, watching it, and staying through the whole video, you heard me? But this is your boy Slim Gates. I will be back with another video real soon, and I'm out. Peace.